In today's video, we'll explore some of the healthiest breakfast foods you absolutely need to try in 2024 to kickstart your mornings. Many people struggle to find nutritious breakfast options that are both delicious and quick to prepare, leading to unhealthy choices. We've all been there, hitting the snooze button one too many times, only to rush out the door with a cup of coffee and a granola bar that's more sugar than substance. But the truth is, breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and it's essential we get it right. When we fuel our bodies with the right foods, we set ourselves up for success. More energy, better focus, and a clearer mind. So why do we continue to settle for subpar breakfast options? Perhaps it's because we think healthy breakfast foods are boring or time-consuming to prepare. But that's simply not true. There are countless delicious and nutritious breakfast options out there. And today, we're going to uncover some of the best ones. From protein-packed powerhouses to fiber-rich superfoods, we'll explore the benefits of each and how to easily incorporate them into your morning routine. Whether you're a busy bee on the go or a leisurely weekend bruncher, these breakfast foods are guaranteed to satisfy your taste buds and give you the energy boost you need to take on the day. So let's dive in and discover the healthiest breakfast foods you need to try. In 2024, we'll dive into 5 unique breakfast foods that are packed with nutrients, easy to make, and perfect for busy mornings. These aren't your average oatmeal or scrambled eggs. We're talking game-changing breakfast foods that will transform your morning routine for the better. From exotic spices to unexpected textures, each of these foods has been carefully selected to not only tantalize your taste buds, but also provide a wealth of health benefits. So if you're tired of the same old breakfast routine and ready to shake things up, you're in the right place. One of the biggest myths about healthy breakfast foods is that they're boring or bland, but that couldn't be further from the truth. Each of the breakfast foods we'll be covering today is not only packed with nutrients, but also bursts with flavor. Whether you're a spice lover, a sweet tooth, or a savory fan, there's something on this list for everyone. And the best part, these breakfast foods are incredibly easy to prepare, even on the busiest of mornings. So, let's get started and explore the first of our 5 healthy breakfast foods. Discover the surprising health benefits of these foods and how they can transform your breakfast routine for better energy and focus throughout the day. When we eat nutrient-dense foods, our bodies respond in incredible ways. We feel more energized, our minds are clearer, and our skin glows with radiant health. But it's not just about aesthetics. The health benefits of these breakfast foods are backed by science. From reducing inflammation to boosting cognitive function, each of these foods has been carefully selected to provide a wealth of benefits that will transform your day from the inside out. So let's take a closer look at the impressive health benefits of each of these breakfast foods. By incorporating these breakfast foods into your morning routine, you'll be amazed at the difference they can make. You'll feel more focused, more energized, and more confident, ready to take on whatever the day throws your way. And the best part, these breakfast foods are easy to incorporate into your daily routine, whether you're a busy professional or a stay-at-home parent. So don't be afraid to get creative and experiment with new recipes and flavors. The possibilities are endless, and the benefits are undeniable. To wrap up, we've highlighted some incredible breakfast options that will not only satisfy your taste buds, but also fuel your body for the day ahead. Remember, breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and it's time we start treating it as such. By incorporating these healthy breakfast foods into your morning routine, you'll be amazed at the difference they can make in your energy levels, focus, and overall well-being. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out our other healthy eating tips in the description below and let us know your favorite breakfast foods in the comments.